Kgotsong ma-creationist ka moka le ba iseng ma-creationist di-member jaaka ka moka le bao ba mfollowa I know ke na le di-followers some are not creationist members ba tsena dikereke tše dingwe le bona ka moka ke re ke no cleara fela bošaedi bo e leng gore ba direga especially mo di-TikTok and social platforms ba botša bana ba modimo gore ke tshwerwe ke ka moara disele. Yeah, I just want to clear the air. Ke gona ka mo diseleng a shinke ke tshwarwe a shinke ka tshwarwa ene nka se tswile ka tshwarwa a gona crime ke e dirileng. Yeah, ba e leng gore ba nagana gore ona le crime ke e dirileng ba be ba tshwantse go bula case ya fraud e bule ke Home Affairs. Case ya fraud o tshwantse bule ke Home Affairs. Yeah, if gona le re bona gona mo gore ke nnete gona le crime e leng gore it was committed mara tše ba di bolelang e no ba go tlhabiša legano phefo le go nyaka go ntshenya maina, character assassination ka mokgwa ba tlwaetšeng go dira dilo ka gona. So ma-creationist ka moka ke re no lena tshekgang ditho. Yeah, tshekgang ditho mopi o na le rena mopi wa rata sa rena re tšweleng pele go rapela re bitše mopi wa magodimo le mafase re rapele le ba dikereke tše dingwe tše e leng gore di nyaka go rapela le rena re tlo tšwela pele go rapela le bona. And then ge e le dilo ka moka tša ZCC ya di beang fase dilo tša ZCC ka moka ke ra Zion Christian Church ya le di bee fase a se gore re kgona dilo ka bona ke mo tshwantse gore go bonagale gore Creationist Church e na le maatla mmupi wa magodimo le mafase a re kgone dilo ka bona a re kgone dilo ka mabitso a bona a re tlo lwela mabitso le mašela especially re bakiša setšhaba sa modimo mašela le mabitso a se ntwe rena re tlileng go e dira eo. Yeah, so ma-creationist ka moka ke re ke fitliše molaetša go lena gore le tlhomela šego le swika gona ga gona ka moara disele ke a leboga.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So Zion Creationist Church leader Shego Barnabas Lekganyane finally speaks on his alleged arrest, you guys. So last week there was a video that was circulating on TikTok whereby it was reported that Barnabas Shego Lekganyane was arrested, you guys, for disobeying his restraining order against the Zion Christian Church, allegedly, you guys. The person posted a video on TikTok whereby he claimed that Shego Lekganyane was arrested. We all know about the ongoing court battle between him and the Zion Christian Church, and I think about almost a month or 2 months ago he did come to update us onto what happened, and at the time we were under the impression that he had won against the church, as he said also that he was granted permission to use the uniform of his church, which allegedly the church of the ZCC did not want him to use because they believed that he was copying everything from the church's badge, from the church's uniform. Ashero said that, you know what, he was the court ruled over his favor at the time, and that he will continue using all of those, including the name of the Zion Christianist Church, as they felt like he was copying everything from A to Z. You guys, now Chero does this video today, which I found on TikTok because I searched on his Facebook to get an update at the time, and unfortunately his Facebook page was gone, or is gone still. But I found this video there on TikTok where he says that, you know what, relax, he is still very much well and he was never arrested. That was just, you know, fake news to try to tarnish his name. He says, you know, that people are always going to talk, but he says that he was not arrested. He is doing okay, as he assures his followers. He also says that, you know, if anybody feels like he committed a fraud, they should at least open a case against him. He says that there's no fraud that he committed. The Department of Home Affairs should open a case of a fraud. He touched a bit about the names that he is using. He says that Home Affairs Department should open a case of fraud if he really did commit fraud. And he says to his church members, you know what, we should stop talking about the main church. I feel like he came on this video with, of course, a peace. He says, you know what, we should just focus on our church. Yes, we will continue using whatever it is that we're using. The church's uniform, we're going to continue using it. So the message that he basically told his followers is that he is fine, and that rumors of him being arrested are fake news. You guys, please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course do make sure that you do share it. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next video, you guys.